Hello everybody, I'm back, and now I will introduce a product we call the doorbell. We call the doorbell. You know, in different countries, when a visitor come to your house, when a visitor come to your house, then maybe some people will be press the doorbell and announce to the host to attention. You have visitors, you have friend coming. Okay, so today I would like to introduce the doorbell. Maybe now the doorbell was very technical, very high technology. For example, it have Wi-Fi remote control, have Wi-Fi control, mobile control, everything. Even you don't need key, you can use passwords to open the door. But this item still used in some not development so fast countries. Okay. So first, I would like to introduce the small one. This is also doorbells. Okay. These doorbells we have different functions we will use in different situations. Example, you can use this as a doorbell. It means when the when your friend coming, okay, they will just press the button and this one will be ringing. Okay, this one will be ringing, ping, like this. Okay, so it will be ringing. It will be ring, ping, like this. You see? You heard it? You heard it? So this item 240 wattage, and when we just connect here, we just connect a wire here and put it in the TV. But some people use this doorbell also put in the distribution box. He puts in the distribution box to announce to the house if the electricity have problems. The doorbell will be also again to ring. See? So if the electricity have problems, it will be also alarm. It will be also have a voice. The voice is like this. So this is the doorbells. For this small one, have two functions. First is like the doorbell. It means some people coming and you press the button, and this one will be announce the host to attention friend coming or visitor coming. Second, this product was installed in the distribution box. When there was some problems in the distribution box, it will be also to ring like this. So it's the functions. If you can't use this one, or if you are very interested in these items, also please contact with us and I will share more information with you. This is the first one, doorbell. And the second one, you can see this big one. This big one also doorbells. And these doorbells is where its function is same, okay, and just make some noise to ask you attention. And I already opened one piece. I open one piece. Okay. You can see here have a terminals. We just put the wire here connections, and we will connection also our push button. We will connection a push button, and when the visitors to press the push buttons, and these motors will make this one down. Okay, and then it will be have voice. You can see ding dong. You see this one? When it yes, it's very nice sound. And then you will attention, you go to open the door or whatever. Okay. This is a very simple item. compared to the Wi-Fi doorbell or Wi-Fi or mobile control doorbell, the advantage for this item is price is very good, very cheap, and it can be have the same functions with the wireless doorbell. So you can see. So if you use this item in your country, you can contact with me, and I will be share more information with you. Okay. Okay. So you can see if you're interested in these items, please also contact with me, and we will talk this. We will install it. Okay. If you need sample, I can send you samples if you were interested in my items. Okay, send you free samples and share more information with these products. Okay, this is doorbell. This is a doorbell. Okay, thank you for your attention for this doorbell specifications. And this product now is popular also in Africa, in some French country. Also in some French country. So if you were interested in these items, please contact with me and I will share more information to you. And this is the second product today I would like to introduce. First is this magic switch, second is this doorbell. So if you're interested in these two items, please really contact with me with the information on the screen, and I will share more information to you. For example, price, delivery time, OEM, everything I can share with you. Just contact with me. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Okay? Okay, now I will go to my third items. My third item, which is not related with French market. It's not with French market, but it is also a special items in my company and also special items in some different countries. Okay, I will just wait 1 minute. I will prepare my set products to show here, and I will back. Okay, just wait 1 minute.